Hey beauties! Today we're going to be talking about the Pore Refining White Halloysite Clay Mask Stick by Physicians Formula. This is a cream to clay mask stick that's designed to target and treat specific skin concerns. I personally love this one a lot because it's really good for oily skin. This is a next generation clay mask stick because it never over dries your skin, it never cracks your skin, and it actually turns into a fine foam when rinsed. Okay, so let's talk about some of these ingredients. First, it's made with pore refining white halloysite clay, oil absorbing kaolin, and tightening firming agents. Okay, so this product is actually really easy to use. All you need to do when you want to use it is you open the top like this, and then you twist it up so that you get enough product to put on your face. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a couple strokes on each side of my face, making sure I cover the whole face that I want to be targeted. If you do have oily skin like I do, then you want to make sure to cover the T-zone area, as that's the area that produces the most oil. So now what I'm going to do after I've covered my face is I'm going to take my fingers and I'm just going to make sure that I get all of the spots that I missed. So now I'm going to take some water and I'm going to begin to lather up my mask. So now I've mixed in the water with my mask, and it doesn't feel too dry at all, it doesn't feel tight, and you can see that it's not cracking. So now what you need to do is you just wait about 5 to 10 minutes, not more than 10. So it's been about 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna go wash my mask off. Okay, so now that I've rinsed my face off, and it's all clean, I've taken the mask off. You can see that there was no over drying at all, and my face is actually really silky smooth. And just a reminder, this is the Pore Refining White Halloysite Clay Mask by Physicians Formula. Thanks for watching.